Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a great way to enjoy crispy potatoes apart from the usual fries, then I would say accordion potatoes are great for you. They are crispy and are baked, so perfectly healthy. They do look a bit tricky but are in fact pretty easy to prepare under 15 minutes. You can serve them as a tea time snack or a midday meal. Keep watching till the end, and if you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up. We require only simple ingredients here. Potatoes, 2 numbers. Cilantro leaves. Oil as required. Salt as required. We will start by washing the potatoes thoroughly and wiping them dry with a clean cloth. We will need to cut the pieces at the end as shown here. You need not peel the potatoes really, but if you don't like baked potato skin, you may remove them. Next up is to slice them lengthways, about 3 by 4 inch in thickness. If you make the pieces thicker, they will not be crispy enough, and thinner pieces will not work for this recipe either. So do keep a watch. You can use any variety of potatoes provided they are fresh. Sometimes potatoes may discolor. If that happens, just soak them in water containing a bit of lemon juice in it. Remove them from water, drain completely before making the accordion pattern. The tricky part lies in slicing the potatoes like an accordion. The method is very simple, provided you have a sharp knife and steady hands. Place 2 chopsticks on either side of the potato slice. The sticks will prevent the knife from cutting through the potatoes. Now, score one side straight crosswise and the other side diagonally by leaving equal space. It may be wise to choose medium-sized potatoes for this recipe so that it will be easier to cut and bake. These fancy-looking potatoes won't take much of your time and can be prepared under 15 minutes, and rest is the baking time. I'm sure kids are going to love this recipe and your kitchen is going to fill with this fresh aroma which you too will enjoy like I did today. If you are ready to fill yourself with a bit more calories, you need not bake them. Instead, deep fry them in oil directly. By the way, that's fun too. When it comes to seasonings, I would suggest you to stick to your preferences. It's totally up to you. I would say that this is the most customized snack I have ever made. Each one can choose the seasoning according to their likings. Now we are cutting the potatoes diagonally. This should be done gently. Gently stretch the potatoes and insert the skewer carefully. When we insert it, there are 2 advantages. It helps to hold the accordion shape throughout the baking process and then help us to get crispier potatoes also. Once done, slowly twist and turn the potatoes so that we get the perfect shape. Enjoy these wonderful accordion with a dollop of sour cream or ketchup. Alternatively, you can choose to add cheese on top of the potatoes if you love it. Irrespective of what toppings or seasonings you choose, this marvelous creation is a great way to enjoy these humble potatoes. Gently place them and apply olive oil. You may use any neutral flavored oil too. Remember to brush oil on both the sides so that we get crispier potatoes at the end. Sprinkle them with enough salt and seasonings of your choice. Bake at 190 degrees centigrade for about 35 minutes, flipping once halfway. As I always say, oven temperatures may vary, so do keep a watch on the potatoes in between. Hope you had a wonderful virtual baking session with me today. I really love to hear from you, so don't forget to leave your comment in the box below. And if you liked the video, do subscribe to my channel with the bell icon on. Wishing you all a healthy week ahead. Until next time, bye bye.